Google Sheets has a whole plethora of utility functions to deal with dates. October 15th, 2021, you can break it down into year, month, day, week number, and day of the week. And each of those functions are pretty self-explanatory. If you needed to convert a date to the last day in a given month, Google Sheets has an EOMONTH formula, so end of month. The first argument is the start date. And the second argument is the number of months to offset the date by. So if you put 0, it's just going to give you the end of the current month. But if you enter 1, it's going to give you the end of the subsequent month. You can also use that to arrive at the beginning of the current month by actually putting a -1 in the second parameter, and then you can simply add 1 to that date to arrive at the first day of the month. You can also use the date function, which takes 3 arguments, a year, a month, and a day. And so we can extract the year from cell C2. We can extract the month as well. And then we could just put 1 as the day. The beginning of the subsequent month, you can also do by getting the end of month of the current date and then adding a day. Similarly, with the date function, you can extract the year and the month and add 1 to it, and then use 1 as the day. Now this even works if the month is already the number 12 for December and you add 1 month to it. Google Sheets understands how to handle this. And there's also the today function, which will change each day, so it's called the volatile function, and it will give you today's date. Google Sheets does not have a function to extract the quarter, but we're going to do that in a future video, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.